Hi everybody, we're demonstrating for you today. This is a mini pack semi-automatic L-sealing shrink combination. Uses the clear chamber here so the operator can see the package actually shrink. We've got some in-house film that we're using to test with, and of course a bottle of Windex. So the operator, this of course, the entire unit, this slides back and forth. This moves in and out depending on the package size. Operator slides this in here, grabs the package with the film, draws it out over the sealing area. You want to make sure all your film is over the edges. Now on the controls, there's a dwell time here, which tells you how long the bar will be on for. Close it down. Now the bar at its setting will turn off while you're still holding it down, and you watch the package seal. You want to go just enough so you get the package to break free from the film. You're going to have a little piece here, so if we give you a little knife or something, more automatic machines have a device to take this away. We'll just show you one more real quick. Take our old film off. Shrink on there pretty nice. Same thing again, package goes inside the film. This work table serves to break the film because the film is traveling off. It's folded in half as it goes across the roll. There's one or two here. As you start doing this, you develop a system of what works best for you. Make sure our film is down, close. Start shrinking, you'll see the film is broken, and I can actually let it go up now, and the package, nice tight shrink there. Very easy, most people can do anywhere from 6 to 10 a minute with something like this. It's obviously relying on operator dexterity, so that's important. Thanks for joining us for this video. We look forward to seeing you.